Hi everyone, WebMeridian here. Today, we're going to dive into Shopify's capabilities for creating a multi-level store structure using subcollections. Why is this so important? What's wrong with Shopify in this regard? And why can't you do it without customization? We'll find out today. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave your questions in the comments below. Let's get started. A multi-level e-commerce structure is a store setup where you have separate pages for different levels of product filtering, like category, subcategory, second-level subcategory, and so on. This approach to building your store structure is crucial for SEO. Let me explain why. Search engine users refine their queries in different ways. Some might look for a t-shirt, while others search for a white t-shirt or a red v-neck t-shirt. Since users have different intents, Google tries to generate search results with the most relevant pages possible. Here's a great example with men's blue t-shirts. We can see that all the search results align perfectly with the user's intent. To make your site successful on Google, you need to build a structure that caters to different user intents. This is done by creating separate subcategories of products. For instance, a subcategory for t-shirts that are size XL or for those that are blue. If you, as an online store owner, don't follow this basic SEO principle, your site will lose the potential to generate a lot of organic traffic from search. This is because, in Google's eyes, your category with all t-shirts won't be relevant when users search for men's XL t-shirts or men's blue t-shirts. Now, let's talk about Shopify. Over 5 million online stores have been created on the Shopify platform, which holds a 23% market share in e-commerce. And I don't get why Shopify hasn't yet introduced functionality to create a multi-level e-commerce structure. What's the issue? Shopify's functionality doesn't allow for the creation of subcollections, whereas platforms like Magento and WordPress offer this capability. How do Shopify site admins work around these limitations? A simple way is by creating separate collections that group products based on tags. These are often referred to as subcollections or sous-collections. A more complex method involves customizing Shopify's functionality. Let's start with the simple approach. You create a specific tag or a list of tags for the subcollection, then tag the relevant products accordingly. When creating a collection, you simply add the necessary tags. It seems straightforward. However, this approach comes with several drawbacks. The first drawback is the lack of URL hierarchy between collections and subcollections. This is the correct URL hierarchy, where the subcollection's URL is formed through the parent collections folder. In Shopify, subcollections cannot form URLs based on this hierarchical structure because, in the admin panel, they're treated as just another collection, and their URLs are generated in the same way as other collections. The second issue is manual configuration. If you have a large online store with many categories, managing everything becomes challenging. As I mentioned earlier with the men's t-shirts category, this category alone can have over 60 different subcategories: color, size, sleeve length, collar style, and so on. Now, imagine you have 100 such categories. Managing all that manually would be a nightmare. In Shopify, you can use the views setting to group collections with subcollections, but this doesn't fully solve the problem. The third issue is internal linking through breadcrumbs. In Shopify, any product can have multiple versions of its URL. Product URLs that are generated through collections in Shopify are non-canonical, meaning the breadcrumb links to those collections won't be indexed by Google. A product with a canonical URL will only have the homepage in its breadcrumbs. This approach is not ideal for SEO. The fourth issue is linking in the menu. To ensure that subcollections are properly detected by search engines and correctly displayed in Google, you need to take care of internal linking. The only way to do this in Shopify is by creating menu items and sub-items, which complicates the navigation of your online store. Remember, just one category like men's t-shirts can have over 60 different subcategories: color, size, sleeve length, collar style. This approach makes the store's menu large, complex, and user-unfriendly. On other platforms like WordPress or Magento, SEO filters are used to handle this, ensuring proper linking between the main category and subcategories. Filter options link to relevant subcategories. However, in Shopify, none of the available filter solutions allow for such linking. So, how can you build subcollections in Shopify to avoid these issues? You have two options: either customize your Shopify website or switch to another platform or technology that supports this functionality. Let's focus on the first option. Customization allows you to solve 4 key tasks that will help you build a proper multi-level structure: URL hierarchy, page linking through filter items, breadcrumbs configuration, management of collection, and sub-collection content. You'll need to find a developer, or better yet, a team with both an SEO specialist and a developer to extend your online store's functionality for creating sub-collections. If you need help with this, our team is here to assist you. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to send us questions by email or leave them in the comments. See you next time.